right side. How that feel here? That's the where
Yeah,
it's
just
really
that.
tight area, okay? Yeah, just roughen out. And here, so inhale. Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm not getting the binds here. Are you tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. The midsection there. Okay, roughen out. Chin bit more tucking slowly. Okay. Open.